Alright, we take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions and you're going to answer briefly. Wherever you will be wrong, I will correct you, and at the end of your answer, I'll give you my feedback. My first question is, where did you go for your last holidays?
I recently go for a holiday with my
Now listen, this question is in the past.
I
So
have-
where did you go for last holidays? I recently went to,
Okay.
past tense. So you will use past simple tense. Now please start again. Where did you go for your last holidays?
I recently went with on holidays with my friends and family also, but I will discuss the recent trip with my friends.
That's the wrong answer, I tell you. I mean, you are going into a stream where you are going to give a memorized answer. The
Okay.
question is where. Where means location.
Okay.
So first you talk about location and then you give details. For example, where did you go for your last holiday? For my last holiday, I went to Gilgit-Baltistan, which is situated in the north of my country. This area is really beautiful with natural beauty, and I stayed there for 10 days and it was a family trip and I really enjoyed a lot.
To the point answer.
Exactly, to the point and according to the question. If the question is where, talk about it. If the question is when, talk about it, right? Now answer again. Next question. Do you like holidays?
Yes, I really like holidays, and I often go for a holiday, mostly with my friends, and I really like to visit northern areas, especially in summer.
Okay, that's fine. So just focus holidays.
Yes.
Do you like holidays? Yes, I love holidays because holidays provide me an opportunity to
Relax.
cut myself off from my busy routine and I just relax. That is why I prefer to spend my holidays into the mountains or something like that. Let's go on. Which public holiday do you like the best?
I really like Pakistan Day, which is celebrated in Pakistan on 23rd March, and I think it's the special day because it's the time when everyone remember the people who sacrificed their precious lives for the country, and it's the time when everyone becomes so patriotic, and I think that's it's a day to pay tribute to the mothers who have lost their sons for the country.
Okay. What do you do on holidays?
Yes, what do you do on holidays? I mostly go for outing and to visit different special places, and to explore new places, new foods, and to also learn about the traditions and cultures of different areas and regions in Pakistan.
Okay, this good. So you got to link it all with holidays.
Okay.
So therefore, whenever I have holidays, I always explore new places.
Okay.
You know, at the end, there should be one sentence conclusion so that you connect your answer with the question once again.
Okay.
Right, that's the purpose of that. All right, now it's going to be your turn. Please clip the mic. The topic is about flowers, and my first question is, what kind of flowers do you like?
I like all kinds of flower, but my most favorite flower is rose, because the color of rose is attract to a lot. And
The color of rose attracts me a lot.
attracts me a lot, and the fragrance of rose is different from the others.
Other flowers. So that is why I always like roses. Are there any flowers that have a special meaning in your country?
Yeah, I think.
I think roses have a special meaning in my country, because
roses are
roses are used.
used in every events like weddings, birthday parties, and celebration of any events like results and winning any cricket match or others matches.
Okay, so I think rose has special meaning or significance in my country. Let's go on. Have you ever planted any flowers?
Yeah, I have many plants in my home, and I plant roses in my home because
I have planted roses in my
roses
home.
in my home because when I see the roses, I feel fresh and relaxed.
Okay, I feel fresh and relaxed, so therefore I have planted some flowers in my house, and main flower is actually the rose one, or the rose plant. Have you ever sent flowers to anyone as a gift?
Yeah, I gifted roses in many events like mother.
On many occasions.
On many occasions, like whenever I celebrate Mother's Day and Father's Day, I give I give roses to my mothers and fathers, and also many times I give roses.
I have given roses.
I have given roses to my sisters and
Okay, you say I have given or I have gifted roses to my sister
Sisters
on
on-
different occasions,
Yeah,
like
and then-
wedding or engagement or anything like that. This is fine, but just you need to connect your ideas when you answer, because when the ideas are connected, and for every answer try to use different words. I mean, in all the answers you used only one flower, that is rose, so you can use a variety of flowers as well. That can be better, right? Okay, thank you.